Ford F-150 5.0 AWE exhaust refers to an aftermarket exhaust system made by AWE Tuning for a Ford F-150 with a 5.0 V8 engine, commonly the Coyote engine in modern F-150s. Here are key details. What is it / what does it do? It's a Catback exhaust system, i.e. it replaces the exhaust components from the catalytic converter back, designed specifically for the Ford F-150 5.0 LV8. AWE markets a version called the 0FG exhaust suite for F-150s, including for the 5.0 LV8. The system is made using T304L stainless steel mandrel bent, with straight-through design to reduce flow restrictions. It includes what AWE calls 180 technology, a drone cancellation tuning that uses internal chambers / ports to suppress unwanted resonance frequencies, so that at cruising speeds you don't get cabin drone. The exhaust offers several exit tip styles / configurations, single side exit, dual exit, rear exit, depending on model and preference, performance, and sound. The exhaust is said to produce a more aggressive, deeper V8 sound while maintaining refinement. Dyno gains quoted for some versions, about +4 horsepower and +6 lb-ft of torque at the wheels in the 5.0 LF 150 application. It also claims weight savings compared to stock exhaust in some spec sheets. The no CL guarantee is a promise from AWE that properly installed, the exhaust won't throw a check engine light for the engine, i.e. it retains correct emission sensors and compatibility. In most cases, fitment and considerations. The AWE exhaust design for F-150 5.0L is typically for certain model years, e.g. 2021 plus F-150, and particular body / bed configurations. It may not fit trucks with certain bumper cutouts, for example, trucks whose rear bumper already has exhaust cutouts, unless specifically designed to do so. Because it's an aftermarket upgrade, local regulations, noise limits, emissions laws may affect legality, depending on where you are. Installation is generally bolt-on for the intended models, matching factory hangers and exhaust layout. Users report that fitment is good when done correctly,